the molecule which can rotate the plane polarized light towards clockwise side direction or anti-clockwise side direction are known as optically active molecule. See here, these two are the optically active molecule, lactic acid and 2-chlorobutane. Why these two compounds are optically active? Because the lactic acid, 2-chlorobutane or glucose, all these compounds rotate the plane polarized light towards clockwise side or anti-clockwise side direction or right hand side or left hand side direction. Hence these compounds are known as optically active molecules. See, and this lactic acid has the asymmetric carbon atom and lack of symmetry. Here ordinary light, monochromatic light, plane polarized light, optical activity and optical active molecules are discussed. Next point is the optically active molecules are of two types. Optically active molecules are two types. One is dextrorotatory molecule and another leorotatory molecule. What is mean by dextrorotatory molecule? See here, this is the plane polarized light. This is the plane polarized light. When this light is passed through certain organic substance, glucose or glucose solution in water, then the plane polarized light is rotated through certain angle. Here right hand side rotation occur and here left hand side or clockwise or anti-clockwise side rotation occur. When the plane polarized light is rotated through certain angle into right hand side direction or clockwise side direction, then the compound is known as dextrorotatory compound or dextrorotatory compound. When the plane polarized light pass through certain substance, then the rotation occur through right hand side direction or clockwise side direction, then the compound known as dextrorotatory compound. Or when the plane polarized light pass through certain substance and rotation occur to the left hand side direction or anti-clockwise side direction, then the compound is known as leorotatory compound or leorotatory molecule. Students, see again what is mean by dextrorotatory molecule and leorotatory molecule. When molecule rotate the plane polarization to the right hand side or clockwise side, then it is known as dextrorotatory molecule, and it is denoted by plus sign or D. Leorotatory molecule, same way, molecule which rotate the plane polarized light to the left hand side direction or anti-clockwise side direction, then it is known as leorotatory molecule. It is denoted by minus sign or small l sign. In this way we study the dextrorotatory molecule and leorotatory molecule. Our next topic is optically inactive molecule. What is mean by optically inactive molecule? We study the optically active molecule, but what is mean by inactive? Inactive means in optically active molecule rotation occur. See here, no rotation occur means when there is a no rotation, the substance from which the plane polarized light pass and no rotation occur, that means this is the inactive molecule. The molecule which do not rotate the plane polarized light is called optically inactive molecule. The molecule which do not rotate the plane polarized light, see here no rotation occur, that molecule are called optically inactive molecule. Examples are tertiary butyl bromide, water, ethyl chloride, ethanol, 2-chloropropanes, etc. This is the optical inactive molecules. Next point under discussion is racemic mixture or racemate. What is mean by racemic mixture or racemate? We studied on here dextrorotatory compound and levorotatory compound. When an equimolecular quantities of student listen carefully, when equimolecular quantities of dextro and levoisomer are mixed, when equimolecular means dextro and levo isomers are taken in same molarities or same quantities. When equimolecular quantities of dextro and levo isomer are mixed, the resulting mixture is found to be optically inactive due to external compensation. Due to external compensation. What is mean by external compensation? External compensation means the dextro isomer cancel the rotation of levo isomer and levo isomer cancel the rotation of dextro isomer. See here, this is the plane polarized light, this is racemic mixture. Here means 50% dextro form and 50% levo form. Then due to external compensation, as both has the same quantity, no one can allow to rotate the plane of plane polarized light to any direction. This is called the external compensation, and such mixture is called racemic mixture or racemate. What is mean by racemic mixture or racemate? When an equimolar quantities of dextro and levo isomer are mixed, the resulting mixture is found to be optically inactive. Such a compound is called racemate or racemic mixture. This racemic mixture or racemate is denoted by plus and below minus sign. Why plus minus? Because here 50% dextro form is denoted by plus sign, and 50% levo form is denoted by minus sign, or also denoted by DL. D means dextro and levo form. The racemic mixture is denoted by plus minus or DL sign. That means when lactic acid is there, we can say that plus minus lactic acid or DL lactic acid. In this way, this is the point of racemic mixture. Mixture means two forms are mixed together, 50% dextro and 50% levo, and due to external compensation, the rotation of both forms are not allowed to rotate the plane of plane polarized light. This is a racemic mixture or racemate. Our last point is chirality. Chirality means the molecule containing a symmetric carbon atom would lack the symmetry. It is referred as asymmetric molecule, and this asymmetry, when there is a asymmetry, that phenomenon is known as chirality. See here, this is a asymmetric molecule, this is a asymmetric molecule. Both are the asymmetric molecule, that means both are chiral molecules, and chirality is found here. Both the molecule denoted by asterisks. Both the molecules are attached to 4 different atoms or groups. 4 valencies of carbon atom satisfied by 4 atoms or groups. That is the concept of chirality. So student, today we studied the phenomenon of optical activity. The study of optical activity is necessary to understand better the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Today we discuss ordinary light, monochromatic light, plane polarized light, then optical activity, then types of optically active molecule, optically inactive molecule, and racemic mixture. And last point is chirality. I hope you understand the topic, student. We have to stop here. In next topic, next period, we study the configuration. Okay, goodbye.